Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
What's up guys, we have a new video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a cartoon image of yourself. Just search in Google Play the application Persona and then make sure that you installed it. Let's open it, and there you can see a lot of filters you can choose from. And then let's go to gallery. Let's open one picture that will make cartoon. And I'll choose this one, this photo. We will make this one as a cartoon image. And let's wait for the result. And that's it. You have now a cartoon image of a self-portrait or your own picture. You can see the original and the cartooned.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.